Thank you for coming today. I am teacher student Khulud from the second year, section 2, and I'm looking forward to talk with you today about a lesson plan activity. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to quickly introduce my presentation. So today we're going to talk about an activity in a lesson plan that includes a reciprocal teaching strategy. We have prepared a comprehensive plan for the third lesson from the science book for the first grade of a primary school for those between the age of 6 and 7 and the first stage of education, which is a lesson from the first unit, Plants Around Us, and the lesson entitled The Growth of Seed Plants. This lesson is aimed at first grade students and contains a variety of information about plants, especially seed plants. The first part of the lesson includes information about the stage of the seed plant's growth and how it changes and grows and what it needs to grow. It consists of 3 stages: the seed, the seedling, and a fully grown plant, while the second part includes information about the importance of both the flower and the fruits in the seed plants. And as for the third part, it includes information about the seed and the fruit and their importance, which is expected to achieve the plant's second goal. After completing the lesson, the student is expected to explain the importance of the flowers and the fruits to plants within the second level of Bloom's taxonomy classification, which is understanding. So now I'm going to talk about the strategy and how it can be implemented. The strategy is an educational activity concerned in particular within the study of reading texts, reading, understanding, and analyzing, depending on the mutual dialogues between students and the teachers or between students with each other. This teaching strategy also depends on attention to think and mental process, linking students to new information to their triple achievement: observation, planning, and evaluation. While the strategy of reciprocal teaching is done as follows: summarizing, generating questions, then clarification. And it can be detailed in the following steps. First, the teacher will divide the students into groups, distribute rules according to the task required of each learner, summarizing, generating questions, and clarifying. Assign a leader to each group. Distribute a text of reading pieces containing information on the benefit of seed and the flower to the group, engaging in reciprocal dialogue within groups and each individual performing his task. The first student summarized the paragraph. The second produced some questions about it. And the last one writes an explanation of the summary and the question, giving learners sufficient time for silent reading and then jotting down ideas to help build the summary. The teacher follows up the work of each group in real time and continuously, and provides support and assistance when necessary, presenting the results and discussing them quickly with the teacher and the rest of the students. I would like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. At this time, I would like to have my colleague here speak. So I'm gonna finish up.